on Bloomfield Avenue, y'all. And I'm past an Indian restaurant, man. It smells strong of curry. I was so tempted to go in there. We're on Bloomfield Avenue in Bloomfield, New Jersey. We are about, and I'm facing in the direction of Newark, New Jersey. We're about 2 miles up from Newark. And if you were to get on the road and go that way, that's the direction of Montclair, New Jersey, about another 1.5 miles, maybe another 2 miles. Bloomfield Avenue in Bloomfield. I am going to Dev's Jamaican Cuisine, y'all, right here. It was suggested by one of our subscribers, actually a friend of mine. Dev's Jamaican Cuisine. Yo, I heard they got some dope oxtails in here. I don't know what I'm gonna get. I'm gonna take a look at the menu. Come along for the ride, y'all. Let's check it out. Check it out. That's for all my Newarkers. Check it out. Check it out. Let's see if they open. Oh, the door is open. This is good so far. There's a lot of seating in here, y'all. I think the seating is closed though for the day. Even though there is a lot of seating, I definitely think it's over with for the day. Hello. Hello. How y'all doing? Good. All right. Are you guys just waiting to eat, order, or?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out if you're filming me. That's what I'm figuring out.
If I'm what?
Recording.
Oh yeah, I'm recording. I'm trying to get the restaurant. I'm a foodie. I do reviews on different restaurants in the area. Yeah, my name's Matt.
Oh, you do reviews,
Yep.
Restaurant reviews?
Yep.
Do you like
And I heard that the oxtails are good here. I heard the Jamaican patties are good here. That's the boss,
well,
right there.
The chef,
He's the
when
number
I finish
one.
the
That's
meal,
the
I'm gonna
boss.
come back and tell you what I think about it. Okay? Because I heard it's great, so I came to try it.
That's what I heard. I heard it's the
See, he said
best. It's
he's
the
gonna
best.
Put you, he's selling you. He is.
Yep.
He's
They
the
say
food
it's the
critic,
best.
So we test it out.
Okay. What you getting? Sir chicken, right? Everything on everything.
I'm gonna order too. I'm gonna order something. I'm definitely. I didn't order yet. They ordered. Oh no, that's all right. That's all right. But remember his order too, because I got time. I want to get. I'm gonna get the oxtail dinner. Give me a small, and I'll get a Jamaican beef patty. Oh no!
I'm sorry.
Are there any more patties at all?
Vegetable and spinach.
Yes, let's do that.
Which one?
The spinach.
One spinach.
Yep. And I'll get a ginger beer.
All right, so give me about 5 minutes.
Thank you. I got my order in, y'all. I'm about to get busy with this food. Come in. Can you eat it?
Oh, you can eat.
Okay. That'll be it.
Something to drink?
Yeah, I got a ginger beer. Yes. I'm laughing because if the doctor knew about this, he'd be like, drink water. Here it is, y'all, right there. We about to get down. Ooh, look at that, man. I heard this cabbage is really, really delicious. Let's take this off here. That cabbage looks good, y'all. I like the colors in it. Look like some carrots there, some cabbage, and some plantain there on the side. Look at that, y'all. We got our ginger beer. We had to get our walk-in drinking ginger beer. Look at that. Looks delicious, right? Oxtails, cabbage, plantain, and I believe there's some rice hiding under here. Yep, there's rice hiding under the oxtails. Let's go for the oxtails first, y'all. Let's check this out. See that? That flavor is delicious, y'all. Look at the oxtail. That meat is coming off the bone. Oh, wow. Okay. The oxtails in the previous videos were good. These are absolutely delicious. They are really tasty. It's something I haven't tasted before. I almost want to say it's like, you know, the cloves that they put in ham? They have that clovey and spicy flavor and sweetness and salty and pepper. It's not too salty.
Look how they just come right off the bone. Wow. Okay. These are the best oxtails I've had since I've been doing YouTube videos.
I'm gonna get a smaller one because I want to leave some room in here to eat. Look at that. I gotta use both hands. So it was suggested that I come up here, and the person that suggested that I come up here said, they said the food is delicious, and the reason they come up here because it's the same every time. And I think that's awesome, that be able to have delicious food and have it taste the same every time. I'm gonna go for the cabbage now. That's the cabbage.
The cabbage is delicious. Has a firmness to it, but not too firm. And it tastes delicious and sweet. It has carrots with it. I don't know if that's the sweetness from the carrots or there was some sweetness added to it, but it is absolutely delicious. It's official, y'all. Dev's restaurant. Caribbean restaurant. All right. I got some rice there. Hold up. Let me clear my palate a little bit.
That gravy that's in the rice. I gotta show you this rice one more time. Ooh, a little spicy. I like that. Look at that rice, right? I used to eat rice, something that looks like this. We call it dirty rice, but oh, it's got that pepper kick to it. It's definitely a pepper kick to the rice, which is brilliant. Let's eat some plantain. Plantain. That sweetness of the plantain and the peppery of the rice mixed is just pure pandemonium. So let's do it again. Guys, y'all know I normally don't eat all of my oxtails. I usually eat half. This is still plenty portion. The best flavored oxtails I've had. And the other oxtails were good, don't get me wrong. But these oxtails have some of the best flavor that I've had in this area. I gotta drink some ginger beer. This is so good. I don't know if you ever had this ginger beer. Who's it made by? DG Genuine Jamaican soft drink. Let's go to the patty. Oh, look at that patty. I was expecting it to be yellow, but it's a doughy type of patty. I'm not gonna eat all of this. First, let's just break it open. Oh, that looks delicious. See that spinach in there? And that patty? Very, very hot. Okay, that spinach. That spinach is really delicious. It tastes really buttery. and it's tender. I'm telling you, I'm glad I ate this after the rice because that spiciness from the rice, I'm starting to sweat. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but I'm starting to sweat from the spiciness of the rice. The bread in this is really delicious. I hate when I get the patties and the bread is burned. I don't like that. This is perfect. It's official. Matt TV, like, subscribe, join us on Patreon. This is what we're gonna do, y'all. We are going to post one food video a week and at least one food video a week, and then we're gonna alternate back to the sailboat. Once I get the sailboat back on the water, man, we're gonna be going to all of these marinas that sell delicious food from Maine, down to Florida. So stay for the ride, for the adventure. It's not just food, it's not just a sailboat, but it's adventure. Getting off the couch, getting out, doing things different, enjoying life, not stressing. That's what it's all about. I need to write that down, write a mission statement for Mad DV. Anyway, that's Mad DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you're hanging with the wrong people. Like, subscribe. I said that already, right? But we can never say that enough. Like, subscribe. I'm out. One more of these oxtails.